Welcome to Product Critique. And today we're diving into one of the best camping rockers you can find, the GCI Outdoor Road Trip Rocker Camping Chair. If you're someone who loves the great outdoors and enjoys a little extra comfort while you're camping or simply relaxing in the backyard, this chair might just be the perfect addition to your gear. Right off the bat, the GCI Outdoor Road Trip Rocker is designed with the perfect blend of portability, comfort, and durability, making it the ideal choice for outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you're heading to the campsite, tailgating, or just hanging out in the garden, this chair is crafted to make your relaxation time as enjoyable as possible. The chair features a smooth rocking motion thanks to its patented spring-action rocking technology. This innovative technology ensures that you can enjoy a steady, gentle rocking experience, no matter the surface. Whether it's a hard floor, soft grass, or gravel. So, if you've always dreamed of having a rocking chair outdoors, this one will fulfill that wish. Comfort is a key aspect of this chair. The GCI Outdoor Road Trip Rocker has a solid back and a wide extended backrest, which provides extra support for your posture, especially during those long hours of relaxation. Plus, the breathable mesh backrest promotes airflow, which is a nice touch on those warmer days when you want to stay cool. As for durability, the chair is built with a powder-coated alloy steel frame that ensures it can withstand the rigors of outdoor use. It's lightweight yet sturdy, supporting up to 250 pounds, so you can count on it to hold up for many adventures to come. One of the features that really sets this chair apart is the convenience of its design. It folds down to a compact size, making it incredibly easy to carry around. It comes with a shoulder sling bag, so you can take it wherever you go without any hassle. And when you're ready to set it up, the process is quick and simple. Just pull the armrests and backrest apart, and you're ready to rock. The built-in beverage holder is another thoughtful feature, keeping your drinks close by, so you don't have to get up when you're in the middle of a relaxing session. Whether you're sipping on a cold drink or a hot cup of coffee, it's a small convenience that goes a long way. When it comes to size, the Road Trip Rocker is spacious. With dimensions of 29.4 inches deep, 25.8 inches wide, and 39 inches high, you get ample room to sit back and unwind. The seat height is a comfortable 20 inches, perfect for a relaxed sitting position that suits most people. Another great thing is how easy it is to pack up and store. When you're done using it, simply fold it up and store it in the provided carry bag, making it ready for your next adventure. Whether it's a trip to the beach, a camping excursion, or a weekend in the park, this chair's portability ensures you'll always have comfort wherever you go. The GCI Outdoor Road Trip Rocker Camping Chair combines thoughtful features, rugged construction, and comfort, making it a must-have for outdoor lovers. Its ability to deliver a rocking experience on nearly any surface, its practical design, and its comfort make it stand out in the world of camping chairs. If you're looking to elevate your outdoor experience with a chair that provides both comfort and convenience, the GCI Outdoor Road Trip Rocker is certainly worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more in-depth reviews like this one.